Morning all of you. How are you all? Today we will make one Rakhi. See here everyone, what is this? This is a Rakhi. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. So today we will make one Rakhi. How to make the Rakhi? See here everyone. These are colored paper. These are so many colored papers. So take one colored paper, like first of all take one red colored paper and draw here one rectangle like this. Draw here one rectangle. Draw one rectangle and after this cut the rectangle like this. Okay, after this cut 5 rectangle, keep here and draw one by one. I have taken yellow color. Okay, and cut this yellow rectangle. See here everyone, these are 5 rectangles. These are 5 colored rectangles. So fold the rectangle like this, like a fan. Fold the rectangle like this, like a fan. How to make a fan? Like this, paper fan. To fold this paper one by one like this. Okay, fold it another paper. I have folded every paper. See here everyone. After this take one paper and put some glue here. And paste it one by one like this. Paste it one by one. See here everyone, like this, pasted like this. After this join this side also. Make it like a band. Make it like a band. See here everyone. After this keep here and take green paper and one, fold the green paper like this and draw here circle and cut it like this. Cut the two circle and keep here and take these colored paper and fold it like this. And take one green paper and put some glue and paste on here. Paste on here like this. See, hold this paper for 1 minute. Hold it. Okay. After the whole, see here like this, and put some glue here. And paste another circle. Paste here another circle and complete your Rakhi. See here everyone. After this, take yellow color and cut one strip. Cut one strip. Like this. See here everyone. After this, keep here and put some glue and paste on the strip. After this, take any kind of batch, any kind of stones, and paste on the your Rakhi for decoration. Paste on your Rakhi for the decoration. Okay. After this, keep some stones like this and complete your Rakhi. Any kind of stones. Use motis. Okay. Decorate your Rakhi like this. I have two types of stones. So paste like this. Okay. See here everyone. See here one. See here everyone. Our Rakhi is ready. So happy Raksha Bandhan once again. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. Enjoy your Rakhi. Thank you. Bye bye.